now we are ready to fly on road for Khajuraho. And yesterday it was like take little bit longer time because of bad road and construction. Lot of construction work was going on. So it took almost 16 and 16 and a half hours, which is quite big. And now we are starting for Sagar. We got late. We thought of we will start at around 9 o'clock, but we are starting at 12 o'clock. Let's see when Sagar and then Khajuraho.
Continue on National Highway 47 for 7 kilometers.
So arrival time is showing 7:33 Sagar, then 3 hours Khajuraho from Sagar. And I am taking highway and then Sagar. So in fact from Bangalore to Nagpur there is a lot of construction patchwork. Because of that it got delayed, but yeah, the after Adilabad the road got little bit better. Last time it was very bad, but now it's got better, so we can hope for good speed. And still once the construction is over, I think the complete road will be fine. So we are on the bypass now. We are heading towards NH4 from Nagpur. We check out from the hotel and took the bypass. And this bypass is really nice road. And overall NH4 is good. NH7 is good from Nagpur to Sagar. So let's see how much I can catch up. As per GPS it is 7:38. Hoping to reach by 6. Let's see. Beautiful road. Beautiful and empty road. Can maintain a very good speed here. Hopefully we'll get the same road till Sagar. There is a Ashok Leyland workshop also. Workshop land. So we left bypass and we are on the NH4 now. And this road also good. Condition is good. Let's see. Nice road. Forest is starting now. One entry gate is actually some little bit behind. It's already gone, but still the fencing and all that is yet to come. But yeah, forest has started. We have lot of trucks. Here, trucks is always there. Nagpur to Jhansi and Hyderabad to Nagpur. There were a lot of trucks. And they have most funny thing with them. One will go in 40 speed and another will 41 and try to overtake.
Literally what we're seeing right now.
Even not 40, maybe 20 and 21. 25.
Yep.
So we are in Panch Forest now. Fencing boundary wall is there. Then again it will come because of villages and gate. They still have the open space. You can see the safari here. People take the safari.
You like it, safari car?
It's open.
You like it?
So this is the Panch Forest. I think we are in the middle of the Bench Forest, and now road is straight, so we can maintain the speed. The road condition is good, but again, bit of traffic, trucks and tractor traffic will be there. Straight road, I think it's newly laid, but condition is very good. Straight, empty, we can tune up the speed. We catch up almost more than half an hour, 45 minutes was the original estimate from GPS. I think we can catch up to something more. There is some construction work again here, so we have to manage in one lane only. Little bit we will be slower here. Construction on highway is a problem. They should construct in either night time and finish it fast. Second stretch where work is in progress. I think they are laying the road again. So again we have to slow down a bit because single lane is getting used for. There is a dhaba here, lot of trucks. So basically forest area. We'll see a lot of dhabas. Near Narsinghpur, another stretch where construction is going on. So we have to manage double line into single. Both incoming outgoing vehicle is using the same lane, which is a bit risky as well, and it's take time. It's not. This is construction, and we are stopping for the lunch now.
At 4.
Little bit late.
Very healthy eating schedule.
So Krishna Hotel is good hotel. Generally we used to take lunch here only. So this time also we are breaking for lunch, and we start again for Khajuraho. After lunch, it's a long break, almost more than an hour. And now we are heading towards Sagar and then Khajuraho. So another diversion here, again construction work.
Oh God.
This really slow down our arrival time. I don't know why, but again and again so much digging. Full of traffic. Full of traffic. So this is agriculture time actually, and you can see a lot of harvester is going on the road, which will go nearby district and they do the harvesting. So we left NH44 and we are on the single road towards Chhatarpur, and then from Chhatarpur we again we'll take the 4-laner for
NH37.
NH37 towards Khajuraho. That road is good, but this is single road and we have to really drive slow. So overall experience is like a lot of patches, diversions, which actually consume the time, and again we are late. So now we are on NH39, right?
Yeah.
And just Khajuraho is just 39 kilometer. So we will be reaching resort. Just 1 kilometer here. So today our journey is ending here from Nagpur to Khajuraho. It's like bit tiring because of construction work, but otherwise overall is okay.
So we finally arrived at the Bundela Resort at Khajuraho, and it's pretty close to the airport over here. It's like about like a kilometer away from the airport, and it has like really good interior, and like it's like really pretty. As you can see, like the chandelier was something I really liked. After that, the staff over here is also like really good, and the customer service is good. Right now we came at a very like and time where there wasn't a lot of rush, so the room service and the restaurant services are like very fast, and it has a really big swimming pool which we unfortunately did not have the time to like experience and look at. But the property itself is like really pretty and spacious. Like you can see there's this like seating area near the staircase and the double staircase and stuff. And we can go up here, and we have this like nice play area where you have like billiard, table tennis, and like carom to play whenever you're like bored. And there are a lot of rooms in like one floor. Like as you can see, it's like the corridor is almost endless, and then there are rooms on the other side of the corridor as well. And yeah, and we had like booked 2 different rooms, but yeah, it's a very nice property, and it's like a highly recommended place to stay at. We stayed here because we had a Club Mahindra association, and the property is basically associated with Club Mahindra, so that's why we decided to stay here. But it's a very good property, and you guys can check it out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.